Hi everyone, here we are at the Dollar Tree. I'm at a different location. Let's see what they have. Okay, so we have these little totes, this frosted loop bags. These are 6 for $1. Then we have these handmade greeting cards. Aren't they pretty? I like those. To my special someone. Happy Valentine's Day. Along the bottom here we have the kids' Valentine's cards. And then here you have the little sticker boxes. You get 18. Okay. And here are the yo-yos. Look how cute. These are skateboards. The little mini skateboards with the cards to and from. And this is the dinosaurs. Okay, all the way to the bottom. And then we have the pencils. Let me just scan those for you. Then we have the erasers. Look how cute, they look like little cupcakes. Okay, we have these. And then these are the fortune cookies. Aren't those adorable? I think they are so cute. They come 10 in the pack for $1. Then these are the little tiny pens. Then these are the notepads. Here's the little paddle ball. These all for treat bags. The little heart party favors, the stampers. And look, they even have the truck. That's so cute. Then here you have the gems and the novelty glasses. And these are putty. That's the unicorn shape. This is the heart shape. And here we have the stickers. I love their stickers. Look how adorable. So we have this kind. Then we have this kind. That kind. And I love those. Those are the lips. The llama. I'm absolutely loving their stickers. So here we have the felt stickers. But before we go up that way, I want to show you their little buckets. So we have these buckets here. And then we have this kind. And that one. They're so adorable. Okay, so then we have these stickers. We have this one. And then those. Okay, then these are the wooden stickers. I'm surprised they have those left. Here's some more, and here are some headbands. So here are the felt stickers and some confetti. And these are the little treat bags. Those are the balloon holders and some plasticware on top with the hearts. Treat bag. So you have this kind here, this one. Just scan that for you. And then these are the Valentine's Day boxes. They're so cute. So they have this one that says follow your heart. Then here, oh look at this, the coffee cup, believe in love. You have the doilies. And these are the paper plates, and these are the table covers. Now the craft jars. Here's the gold top. And I'm really loving this pink. This one has the pink top. I hope you can see that. So look at these, the pom-pom kit. That's adorable. So these are the felt hearts, and these are the table scatter. These are the little mini boxes. They are so adorable. I'm loving this truck one. Okay, here's some tulle, and then these are the tin hearts. So here's the glitter hearts, and these are the picks. So you have the light pink, and then you have the red. And here are the felt stickers with the little gem. And here are some foam stickers. Aren't those beautiful? Like iridescent, some more confetti, and then you have these baskets here, the pink and the red, and some paper bags. These are the totes, those tote bags. I like those. And then these are the little bags and the novelty glasses. I have some of the roses. Just gonna scan that for you.
Tiffany, register, please.
Okay, let's see what's left. So here we have the plastic heart. That's what these look like. Those are adorable. And then these are from last year. Some more of these. So a lot of the Valentine's Day stuff in this store is a little scarce. There's your garland, there's your heart, your felt hearts. Some more of the boxes along the bottom and some tissue paper. And here's that glitter decor and some tissue. So these are the bags. And then we have some more florals over here. I love those magnolias. They have some peony. The roses. Very nice. I'm loving that camper. Oh, and look at this. That one says ice cream. Okay, so then on this side we have all this candy. The Valentine's Day candy on this wall. So let's see, I'm looking for the gnomes. I thought I might have seen them. So these plushies are a little bit bigger than the normal ones they have. Then these are really cute too. This says BFF. So they have like 2 for $1. Okay, and these are the boxes. Would be mine. And then some petals and the white and the red. And down here they have that lavender. Then you have some flowers along the top and some makeup sponges and even this makeup lip oil. Okay, then we get into the St. Patty's Day stuff. So there are the hats. We may as well scroll through this area. So you have the boas and the screen. Then you have some scarves. They only have this one on that row, and then this one. This is really pretty. And then they have that green one. Here are some novelty glasses and some of their little coins. And here's some table scatter, foam scatter. Here are the necklaces. And here's a banner and some picks, shamrock picks. And then here's shamrock crown and the bow tie. Some more foam scatter. Let me back up so you could see that. The cauldrons are right next to that. So you get 5 cauldrons for $1. And then look, here's the St. Patty's Day LED lights. And then these are the foam cauldrons. And here are the foam shamrocks. So you get 12 and 12. Then here are the coins. You get 30. Look at these. They're so pretty. Then you have the foam mesh tubing in that green and in the black. Okay, let me back up so you could see. Very pretty. So these say St. Patty's Day. Well, this is lucky and blessed. That's nice. And happy St. Patty's Day. So you have the garland, the tinsel garland, and those signs. And here's some window clings. A happy St. Patty's Day. And you have that one. Along the top, you have the light up necklaces, the headbands. These are the hats, tinsel hats. Here is the shamrock tinsel, and these two, a tinsel decor, and here's the garland. And we have to see the socks. Okay, so we have that one. That one. This one. Oh, these are cute. All right, so here it says, "You complete me." Isn't that adorable? These are Valentine's Day. Here's the cat, and here's the corgi. Those are adorable. And those are the handmade cards there. And again, those are the candies. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look at their Valentine's Day decor and their St. Patty's Day decor. And I'll see you in the next video.